In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show hidden chat history in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if a conversation seems to have disappeared, or if you hit a chat earlier and now need to bring it back and review what was said. First, make sure you've opened Microsoft Teams and that you're signed in with the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top of the window. You'll see a search bar running across the top. This is where you can search for people, messages, and of course, hidden chats. Click on that search bar to activate it. You'll see your cursor appear inside the bar, which means it's ready for you to type. Now, start typing the name of the person or the chat that you want to find. You don't need the full name right away. Even a few letters will usually be enough for Teams to start suggesting results. As you type, Teams will show a list of matching items just below the search bar. These could be chats, channels, or contacts related to what you've entered. Take a moment to look through this list and identify the chat you're trying to bring back. If you don't see it immediately, try typing the full name or a unique word from that conversation to narrow it down. Once you've located the correct chat in the search results, click on it. Teams will open that conversation in the main chat area, even if it was previously hidden. You should now see the messages that were part of that chat. Now, to make sure you can easily access this conversation again, look for an option that says Show Hidden Chat History within the chat. Go ahead and click on Show Hidden Chat History. When you do this, Teams will reveal the messages that were previously hidden, and the full conversation history will become visible again. Give the chat a moment to load, especially if it's an older or longer conversation. Once it appears, you can scroll up and down to read through everything that was said earlier. At this point, your hidden messages are restored, and you can continue the conversation as normal. That's all there is to it. You click on the search bar at the top, search for the chat you want, open it from the results, and then select Show Hidden Chat History to reveal everything that was hidden.